Papanoorin natin ang tourism video and getting to know me video ni Clarissa Westrom representing Cotabato Province for Miss Universe Philippines 2026.
Let's go!
Excuse me, hi. Can we have an interview with you? It's only for a minute.
Sure, come in.
Ay wow,
Wow.
akala mo talaga.
I am Clarissa Marie.
Artista.
Start with a
How
bang.
old are you?
I'm 24 years old.
Where are you from?
I'm from Cabacan, Cotabato Province.
Oh,
Tell me a fun fact. Where were you born?
I was born in Germany, but raised in the Philippines. And fun fact, I was born in a
So she can
bathhouse
speak
because I was
Ilocano
a
din.
baby.
Oh, wow. You finished college, right?
Yeah.
What did you study in college?
I studied Bachelor of Public Administration at UP Diliman, and I graduated as magna cum laude.
That's
Wow.
amazing. What's one word to describe your college journey?
Nakakahiya.
What's your
what a credential.
I am a Leo. That's why I am an extrovert.
And how many languages do you speak?
I speak 8.
Oh,
Name
wow.
them quickly.
English, Filipino, Ilonggo, Ilocano, Bisaya, Spanish, German, and I don't know if it's considered a language, but Bisaya Gaelic.
What's one thing
Really?
you absolutely do not like?
I hate the cold air, so I don't like aircon, but electric fan will do.
Favorite comfort food?
Chocolates.
And what's a guilty pleasure on your phone?
Watching TikTok, the animated video clips. Warm air hit instant.
Anyone
Pampaano,
seen you
tanggal
on TV?
stress.
I lead with purpose, with integrity, and with a heart.
And tell me about the...
That's already more than a minute. See you soon.
Ah? Artista.
From a young age, I learned that dreams don't come easy. They are earned through sacrifice, courage, and resilience. At the age of 16, while others were still figuring out who they wanted to be, I was already working, modeling, hosting, joining pageants, but not for fame, but for survival.
Hmm.
Back in 2019, my world changed forever. I lost my father to cancer, and suddenly, growing up
Sad.
was no longer a choice. It was a responsibility. In college, my days were for studying, and my nights were for working as a virtual assistant. Living far from home was painful, but I had to help because I had 3 siblings and a mother who depended on me. Despite everything, I chose to serve as a community leader and a youth advocate. I flew all the way from Quezon City to Cotabato Province every month. Not because it was easy, but because empowering the youth was my purpose. I believe that when you lift others, you rise too. Then,
I think yan din naman yung may ano dun. Parang grabe din yung youth empowerment.
life tested
Sa
me
Cabacan.
again.
Sa
Sa North
Cotabato.
Cotabato.
I
North
lost my
Cotabato.
mother to breast and bone cancer.
What?
In one moment, I became the breadwinner for my older brother and my 2 younger siblings. Now, my days begin before sunrise. I bring my younger brother to school, work at the provincial capital,
Ala, grabe naman
take
yun.
on side hustles, go home to work again at night, and still make time to serve the youth. I am tired, but I am not
Oh my
broken.
gosh.
Because my story is not about love. It is about love, responsibility, and strength. This is her story. A daughter who refused to give up. A sister who chose to stand strong.
Grabe, dinaan naman yun sa emotion.
And a woman shaped by hardship and fueled by hope.
Ah,
Cotabato is famous.
breaking the stigma.
I needed to see it for myself.
hala, natry ko na dyan yung apa sa Matalam. Charing.
Gusto mo? Takot ka? Huwag ka matakot. Sa Cotabato. Tayo.
Wow.
In Cotabato, hard work tastes sweet.
Yan, may tubuan. May sugarcane
Here,
factory din
the
doon.
land feeds dreams and generations. Roots run deep. Culture, respect, and identity. Every harvest tells a story of hope. Nature doesn't just amaze, it invites you to dance. Here, faith, food, and fiesta comes together. Different beliefs, one shared respect.
Nasaan yun, Kidapawan, tapos mga Asik-Asik Falls,
Beauty whispers.
Lake
din,
Agco.
oh.
Ay, been there, done that. Doon pala lumaki.
Community is strength. Together, we flow. Rest, recharge,
Ano yan?
and taste.
Pomelo. Hindi kasi meron ding mga malawak na pumelohan sa Mlang.
From humble delicacies to the tallest dreams, Cotabato stands as the gateway to Mount Apo.
True.
Where journeys begin and legends rise.
Grabe, napaka-majestic naman talaga ni Mount Apo.
Adventure above and livelihood below.
Ay,
Amisaya!
iba-iba talagang municipality.
Together.
E?
This is Cotabato. We are Cotabato. Beyond its beauty is its heart. This is the Cotabato you'd want to discover.
Wow.
Yeah!
Nakakaiyak naman yun. I miss home.
Wow! Wala, naiyak siya.
Hindi para sa
How
akin
do you
kasi.
feel?
How do I feel? I feel like I wanna cry.
Ah!
Charing. Hindi kasi parang, kumbaga, yung how... Wait lang.
Oh, explain mo muna kung bakit. Kasi, syempre, you're from that place din. Baka sabihin mo, tagal lang yung Pangasinan naman to.
Hindi kasi we're living here for
Mhm.
almost magto 2 years na siguro, no? Pero hindi, ang pinaka na ko doon na parang very emotional yung atake and parang it hit me kasi parang people would say na parang bakit ganun kayo ka-tough?
Mhm. Ah, yes.
Parang may phrase kasi doon na parang it reminded me na
Sige, breathe mo na. Explain.
parang may phrase kasi doon na parang it reminded me na kung bakit yung mga tao doon is very tough kasi doon sa pinagdaanan na parang ang daming mga challenges na dumaan sa mga taga Cotabato, most specifically sa North Cotabato na parang yun na yun nagpatibay, nagpatatag ng pagkatao na namin. Charing. Ganon. Pero yun, sobrang emotional. Wala akong masabi kasi wala, emotional.
Yeah. Yun nga parang how do you compete with a pure, honest story? 'Di ba? Kahit pa gaano ka glossy, gaano ka magazine-like yung mga videos ng iba, pag pinasok mo na yung pure and honest story, 'di ba? How do you compete with that? Ganyan.
Wala
Wala na. First of all, congratulations kay Clarissa kasi she's a well representation of yung mga taga Cotabato. Just like you, mga taga Cotabato.
Cotabaten niya.
Ang ganda
ganyan.
ng credentials niya, ang ganda ng stories behind niya, yung story of struggle and how she's fighting, 'di ba? Wala namang kumbaga deserve na maghirap ka, mamatayan ka ng magulang at ikaw yung mag-struggle talaga to lead or to to make your family thrive, ganyan. So,
Para akuhin yung mga responsibilities
Yes,
na hindi mo
oo.
naman dapat inaako, 'di ba? Kasi ikaw din meron ka ding, of course, you as a person, meron ka rin siguro mga bagay-bagay na
oo,
gustong ma-achieve.
desires, dreams,
Diba?
ganyan. And she's doing it with grace and so much, kumbaga, leadership. Hindi lang sa buhay niya, kundi she's inspiring a lot of people din. And marami siyang natutulungan din. And that's extra.
So yun lang guys, and thank you so much at sinamahan niyo naman kami sa nagdaang video. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If bago kayo sa ating channel, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification bell para updated kayo sa ating mga next uploads.
And guys, thank you so much for watching our videos. We have a lot of videos done and we have a lot of videos coming. So keep watching us in the next video. Bye!